Welcome to WizzKidz TV. Are you ready to dig in the sand and find seashells with me? We've buried some seashells we're going to dig out. Can you help me? All right, let's begin. We've got one. It's so cool. Look how old it is. One seashell. I wonder how many we're going to find. Let's keep digging. We found another one. Look at the shape of this seashell. So cool. Do you know where you find seashells? Yes, you find them on the beach, buried in the sand. Let's see if we can find more. We found two more. Look at this one. It's so cool. It looks like a horn. And this one. Do you know how many we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4. We found 4 seashells. Let's see how many more we're going to find. We found another one. Look at this one. Let's use our magnifying glass to see. So cool. It looks like it's been fossilized. That means this is a very, very old seashell. Very neat. 5. Let's keep digging. We found another one. Look at the shape of this seashell. So cool. It's a circle. It kind of looks like a donut. Yum! Number 6. I wonder if we have more. We found another one. This one is so big. Look how super cool this looks. Do you like going to the beach and finding seashells? Me too. This is number 7. We found 7 seashells so far. I wonder if there's more. We found another one. So cool, number 8. Let's keep digging. Here's another one. Do you know what number seashell this is? Yes, number 9. I wonder if there's more. I think we found another one. Look at the colors of this one. Wow. Do you know what number this is? Yes, 10. We have found 10 seashells so far. I wonder if there's more buried in the sand. Could that be it? I see another one. Let's dig it out. It's so big. Wow, look at this one. Let's count all our seashells. This is the last one. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We found 11 seashells. Thank you so much for digging in the sand with me to find seashells today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.